Hello guys, welcome to this space. If you're new here, I'm Kemdi Mbago. Today we are visiting Ibeno local government area of Akwa Ibom State. We are actually heading directly to the Ibeno Beach, and I will tell you why in a minute. Why heading to Ibeno? I didn't film the entire road because I didn't want my phone storage to get filled up. So I didn't film the entire road, but we just headed directly to the beach, and I'll tell you why we headed directly to the beach. Okay, right now I want to share with you a global campaign titled #Teamseas. This is a campaign to raise $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of plastic and trash from our ocean, rivers and beaches. This is also the second wave of the largest creator-led fundraising campaign to ever hit the internet. The first was #Teamseas, which was launched in 2019 with a goal of raising $20 million to plant 20 million trees, and it was a hit, you guys, raising over $23 million and generating more than 1 billion video views. 2 years later, Teamseas.org is still receiving donations for planting 2,600 trees daily. Wow. The campaign launches today, being the 29th of October at 1 p.m. Pacific time, which is 10 p.m. Lagos Nigerian time, okay? Just like the original campaign that inspired #Teamseas, this campaign is led by Mark, Mr. Beast, and the campaign director, Matt Fitzgerald, in partnership with Ocean Conservancy and the Ocean Cleanup. And all donations to #Teamseas will be split by the two charities 50-50. You guys, to learn more about this campaign, just go to your search bar, type in Teamseas, #Teamseas or Teamseas, and you will get a lot of information flooding your timeline. Okay, now I said I was going to tell you guys why we headed directly to the beach. The reason is, when I embarked on this journey, I had no idea that Ibeno is a local government area of its own. I thought it was the name of the village where the Atlantic Ocean is. Not until one of my viewers called my attention to it, and I had to start asking questions. Even at that, most people kept telling me that Ibeno is in Eket. I don't know why they thought that. At least most of them were born here and they actually grew up around this area. I'm sure this is something that they should know, but it is what it is. Anyway, it's a pity I didn't get to tour the city or town. I'm thinking it's a town. I don't think it's that developed to be a city, but then I didn't get to see it, so I don't know. But I'm going to be showing you guys what the beach looks like. Okay, for curiosity's sake, I want to know, does the city you live in have a beach? Do you love going to the beach? How often do you go to the beach? Let's assume you love going to the beach. How often do you visit the beach? Just leave it in the comment section below. I would like to know, all the little details, okay?
Deep within, here we go. But somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
guys have no idea the sort of excitement I felt when I sighted the beach. Like, I sighted the ocean. I was so excited, you guys. It felt like I had reached the end of the earth, you know? Like, this is what surrounds us. I don't even know how to explain how I felt. Like, oh my god, you guys, oh my god, the ocean looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. My. To be very frank with you guys, my phone isn't doing justice to what I'm saying. Like, my phone didn't do justice to it at all. Just staring at the Atlantic Ocean, it's so peaceful, you know, it felt so calming, you know, but then it's not just something you go diving into, you know, but it feels so, it's just a whole different vibe altogether. I'm sure if you're the kind of person that visits the ocean regularly, you know what I'm talking about. You understand what I'm saying. It's, you know, do you know, you guys, I haven't actually injured myself here. That is why this campaign is this global campaign is very important, you know, to clear out the oceans and all of that. I actually injured myself here, which you guys are going to see in a minute. Can you guys see my feet, my toes? I was so excited. I wasn't watching where I was going, but there were a lot of debris around here. So, God, the sight is, wow. It's beautiful. This place usually gets filled up during the festive season. So if you're planning on visiting Akwa Ibom State and you don't visit Ibeno Beach, then your journey isn't complete. Seriously. This is beautiful. They said the tide is low right now, that whenever the tide is high, that the water really comes up really high, like goes farther than where it is right now, like it comes forward. While filming, I was being careful because some people, I don't know if they were learning how to swim or something, some children were naked and I didn't want to start filming naked children, so I had to focus in areas where there were no people. There were nobody, so that I don't film people that are naked and then start looking at how to cut out that part, and then that would end up affecting my video, you know. But I saw fishermen, you know, fishing in this area. I wonder how they're able to fish in this big ocean. Like, the ocean is so big, you can't even see the end of it. Abandoned, okay. Yeah. Yeah. You guys, this is Nigeria. We are in Nigeria. I want to walk to the area where we can put our leg, we can dip our leg in water. I need to put my leg in this water. This journey is not complete. I don't Trying to avoid, I don't know if they have, if there are quicksands around the beaches, so we're trying to be careful where we put our legs so that we don't go sinking. Okay.
Our moments miles above, I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part.
I want the big one to come.
Swimming in this
It's not coming big.
deep blue.
Yeah! Oh, wow! Guys, can you see it? This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Hold my breath, looking up.
Okay.
Life moves in ways that keeps changing.
Okay.
Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone.
Can you hear the sound of the waves?
Sinking
Oh,
in,
this is nice.
back on the shore.
This is
One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go.
Wow!
But in that
Can you see?
second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this
Wow, yes, I
endless
feel this one.
space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely
You know, it has
start,
been very
but
sunny
letting
for a while.
go's
Like,
the
some leaves are
hardest
raining by now.
part. Swimming in this deep,
To come.
deep blue.
Okay.
I know
Highest will be
I'm floating on this dream.
So guys, it's time to go because I had to go back to Rio
morning.
and I came
For
alone.
now I'll embrace our wondrous
So there was no way we're going to spend a lot of time at the beach like I would have loved to.
Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I'm diving in. Falling stars, a lovely start. Swimming in this deep, deep blue.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, never ending. It's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let
I really wish that we as a people can start thinking of investing in small cities like this, in small towns like this, so that we can decongest the overcrowded cities, you know, the overcrowded cities we have in Nigeria. This is just the best way to decongest them, because this ocean here, it's a very, very, very big part of this nation, and it contributes greatly to our economy, you know. So if we can just, you know, really take advantage of what we have and stop running to the big cities and try to develop the little cities, you see that Nigeria will be very beautiful. Seriously, Nigeria is beautiful already, but it will be more beautiful if we can invest in these small towns, these small cities, and decongest the big cities.
My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I
really wish I can live close to a beach. Is that possible? I don't know if that's possible anyway.
I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I complicitly betrayed? My heart, my
I think that's the tuban burning. I think that's what they call it, tuban.
my life, the price. It's hard to fight, goodbye.
So that's the way back to Uyo. I'm actually headed back to Uyo. Right now, it was a very, very interesting experience, and I loved it. You guys should tell me what you think. Did you like it? Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to comment. Do not forget to like this video and share. You guys share. I really want to do more of these, but it takes a lot. Okay, so having people watching and commenting and sharing will actually go a long way to encourage me to keep doing this. Thank you for watching. Until I see you in my next video, you know I love you. Bye.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this pain, am I complicitly betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning, vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight, I know. It's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I complicitly betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest. but you keep on forgiving. Oh,